Hello, my good friends, P2 members. How are you? I know you are fine. I know you are enjoying. Yes, I'm here again with another lesson. Yes? Are you ready? Get ready. We are starting. Do you remember my name? Of course, I remain Tumwine Joy, P2. I've come back with another lesson of social studies, literacy 1A. Do you remember social studies in full? I mean in short? Yes, it is SST. I know you had forgotten. That is SST, which is even literacy 1A, okay? So I'm here for another lesson of social studies. And this lesson, today, by the end of this lesson, I expect everyone who has attended to define a timetable. That means we are going to study about a timetable. Do you know a timetable? Yes, we are going to see it. We are going to know about it. Yes, so you are supposed to define a timetable by the end of the lesson. Then you are supposed to list things found on that timetable. There are things found on that timetable, so you will have to list them for me. All of them, not one, but all of them. Then I expect you to tell the importance of a timetable, why a timetable should be in a class, why people should have timetables. Okay? Now, are you ready? Let's go. Timetable. Definition of a timetable. What is a timetable? Can you answer it? Can you guess? Can you think and tell me? What do you think is a timetable? Do you know a timetable? Have you ever seen it in your class? Yes, every class has a timetable. All right. I hope you can tell me something. A timetable is a piece of paper that shows the flow of lessons. A timetable is a piece of paper that shows the flow of lessons, how lessons follow each other. Do you remember our timetable in class? In your classes? Yes, every class has one. And there are things found on those timetables. Yes? Do you remember them? Okay, can we read the definition of a timetable? A timetable is a piece of paper that shows the flow of lessons. I hope everybody has done that. I hope you have even written it. Good children, you are so nice. Now, what are the things found on the timetable? Can you remember? Remember 2, 1, all of them? All right, I can see. I know, you are nice children, you remember? Yes. Now, we are going to look at things found on the timetable. Have you thought of one? Yes. I can see you saying, yes, this one, that one. Okay, let's look at them. Things found on the timetable. There are many things. 1, time. Do you remember the time? It is on top that this lesson will begin from 8 to 8:30. From 8:30 to 9. That is the time I'm talking about. Yes? Okay. Do you remember that? I used to ask one of you and say, you go and tell me, what time is the other lesson? Is English starting? You go there and tell me. That is time. Then there are subjects. On a timetable, there are subjects. All the subjects in that class for that day, for that week, they are found on the timetable. Yes, subjects. Which subjects do you remember? Or which subjects do you know? There is English, there is literacy 1A, there is science, there is mathematics, there is art, there is music, there is PE, there is reading, there is library, there is computer. All those are the lessons. So those are the subjects I'm talking about, okay? Then there is days of the week. Yes, days of the week. There are days of the week. Do you remember days of the week? Can we mention days of the week? Beginning with the first one. Yes, let's go together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But on the timetable, there are only 5 days of the week. Why? Because we don't study on Saturday and Sunday. So there is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yes, those are the days of the week found on the timetable. Then subject teachers. Every subject on the timetable has a different teacher. For example, you find that English, Tumwine Joy. You find another, mathematics, another teacher. Do you remember the teachers? I hope you have not forgotten. Yes, so those are the subject teachers. The one who teaches English is a subject teacher. The one who teaches math is a subject teacher for that subject. So these are the things found on the timetable. There's time, subjects, days of the week, subject teachers. Okay? Okay. Now, what is the importance of a timetable? Why should we have timetables? Okay? That is session 3. How is a timetable important? What is the use of a timetable? Do we need it? Yes, we need it. Why should we have it? There is a reason. There are many reasons. Why we should have a timetable. Let's look at them. Importance or uses of a timetable. Okay? Let's look at them. 1, for proper management. If you don't have a timetable, you cannot know what to do. You cannot manage the class. You cannot manage yourself even. The teachers cannot manage themselves. They find when everybody wants to come and teach. So that is bad. The timetable helps for proper management. Yes, another one is for easy distribution of activities. Yes, a timetable shows all the activities. If it is a break, it is also on the timetable. If it is any activity that is done in class for that day is on the timetable. So for easy distribution of activities, you know that from this time to this time, it is that activity. From this time to the other time, it is PE. This time to that time, so that is another importance. Another one, it promotes order. It promotes order. There must be order in doing things. If the timetable is not there, you can't know when to do something. So you have to know that this time I'm doing that. At 10, it is break. At 11, another lesson. So it promotes order. Another one, it prepares the children for lessons. Yes, you children, when you look at the timetable, you know, now the other teacher is coming for science. Okay, let's be ready. Oh, it is PE. Let's be ready. Let's remove the sweaters and go for PE. All right. So that is, it prepares the children for lessons. Those children who know how to read a timetable, those good children I know, but I know you are all good, okay? You are supposed to go to the timetable and say, what is the next lesson? It is this, which teacher is coming? Yes, the other teacher. After this, which lesson are we learning? That one, and you get ready for it, okay? So it prepares the children for lessons. Then another one, it helps to know what activity is coming next. Any activity you do after, when time is over, you know that now, if this literacy 1A is over, what is the next lesson? The next lesson is the other one. So you have to know which activity is coming next. The timetable helps us to know that. Okay? All right. Okay. Now, I will give you an exercise, but this exercise, I will send it to you. Okay? We have learned, we have seen all that, everything that we have learned about a timetable. Do you remember what a timetable is? Yes. The question is there. I am going to send it. If you are not listening, sorry for you. I don't know what you are going to write because I'm going to mark the work. And if you don't get, all the numbers, you will not get my sticker. I will give a nice sticker. Do you remember my stickers? Yes, I'm going to give you. So I'll give you an exercise about the timetable. about everything we have learned, and I hope you do the exercise very well. I know my good children, and I will clap for you. I will give you flowers, and even God will love you. Thank you very much. We meet next time.